Hey guys, how you doing? So this is the Web Piano Teacher Lifetime Membership exclusive opportunity here. So if you have created a profile on webpianoteacher.com, you've got this email and you have the opportunity to get a lifetime membership. Now this is pretty special because I don't give these out very often anymore. And sometimes once a year, sometimes a couple of years go by before I do one. This one's going to be for about 7 days. It starts today, October 5th, 2023, and will end on October the 11th, 2023. So you have that time in there, that window of about a week to jump on and get the special. So let's take a look and see what you're getting with that. And so I just wrote it down here on the board here. Guys, I've been doing this for 16 years online. Before that, I was doing it for a couple of decades, but been on YouTube for 16 years, had the website right after that. And so this is pretty neat because you get the life's work that I've done on the website. And it's truly a lifetime membership. It's not, where I do it for, that's 5 years is a lifetime. Some people do that. This is truly a lifetime. You'll never be charged again. So those of you who don't like the recurring payment or whatever, this is a great option for you. You'll never be charged again. But it's true lifetime membership. Okay, so the family level, I'm kind of going to explain things. You are reading the email, but I wanted to be a little more detailed in the video for those of you who want the more detail. So there's 3 levels on the website. Partners, the low level, and then friend, and then family. You'll be a family level right away, and the family level membership for a lifetime. So you'll have access to everything on the site, not just the lessons, the regular lessons, but also the special series that I uploaded, which includes, these are the most popular, the Sight Reading Boot Camp. I recently redid that this year. So that's 100 lessons. There's 2 volumes, and it's just a boot camp sight reading series. If you want to learn how to actually read music, I teach you the skill, not particular songs, but the skill of reading music, and I take you through that. And it's a lot of work, but a lot of people have used it, and it's worked well for them. The I've Got Rhythm series is on there as well, and you'll have access to that. And that is in case you are someone who says, I can't get my hands to play together. Just can't coordinate my hands. If you feel like that, the I've Got Rhythm series will really help you. And it's a lot of fun. I use a lot of fun songs to do that, to get your rhythm going for both hands. So that's what the family level gets you. But along with that, I stock your account with 100 sheet credits. Now, the sheets are the downloads of the sheets that you see on the videos when I'm, drawing on the way back, I was drawing on an actual whiteboard, and so we recopied those on the digital whiteboard that I use now. And so you get all of those sheets. So it's exactly what I write out on the board. You get the ability to download those, okay? Now, the sheets are $5 a pop if you're just a partner level member, recurring membership person. But if you become a lifetime member, I'll stock it with 100 sheet credits. Now that alone is a $500 value. Just those sheets alone is $500, and I think it's totally worth it because I think about the thousands and thousands of hours that it takes me, to write all these sheets out for all of these lessons. There are over 7,000 lessons on the website now. That is a lot of lessons, and that's taken me this whole 16 years to get there. You guys know I'm always doing hard requests. I'm always putting new stuff on the website. Got some great stuff I've already put up this year. Some stuff coming up, some Disney songs that are going to be cool. Three mega house Disney songs coming up. I'm always, doing new stuff. This is the way I make a living. I mean, I'm 50 years old this year, and I'm feeling strong, feeling healthy, and I'm loving this job more than I ever have. And so, this is what I do. So I'm going to be in it for the long haul. I hope you guys will too. So the cost is, drum roll, it's $1,000, $9.99. Right? They say put $9.99 instead of $1,000, but it's $1,000. Now, if you consider if you took private lessons with me, you'd spend that in a few months. Okay. And I'm a lot cheaper than a lot of other websites that offer a lot less material. So this will pay for itself in a couple of years, right? This level of membership. And considering what you're getting, I think it's definitely worth it if these lessons are working for you and you really want to play like you've always dreamed. You'll have all the songs you need to do it. I mean, when I think about all the songs that I have on there in the library, it's kind of neat now because when I go to a store or something and I hear a song on the radio, I go, more than half the time, I say, oh, I've done that song, well, probably way more than half the time. But pretty much if you wrote down your favorite songs you wanted to play, they're probably mostly going to be on the website already. I've been doing this so long. So it's really neat to have that library there that you guys can go from. And I'm always doing new stuff. Just check out the website. So this is how you get it. All right. It's $1,000. You can click the link in the email. So if you look in the email, there's a Stripe email that you just click, and you can do it that way. And that's fine. Those of you who just love PayPal and want to use PayPal, that's another way to do it. So if you want to do that, you go to paypal.com, click send money, and then pay to my account, which is easypianolessons@yahoo.com. I've had that email address for 16 years. I created it when I started the YouTube channel. And choose, if you don't mind, choose friends and family instead of goods and services, because that saves me the fees. If you don't choose friends and family, then they'll charge me $30-$40 for fees, right? We all experience that. So that would just help me out. So a little smiley face there if you are able and want to do it that way. All right. So any questions you have, because you might have some questions if you've never done my lessons, you don't know how everything works. Just email me at easypianolessons@yahoo.com, and you can put lifetime membership in the subject. I'll answer your questions, help you do the membership, help you through it. What I'll do is I'll do everything. I'll set up the lifetime membership and everything, and I will email you after I get it all set up. Now, if you wouldn't mind, give me a couple of hours, because I've have my regular work that I have to do today on lessons, and as well I'll stop every few hours and see, and then set up your membership. So it isn't like an automatic thing. I'll have to go in and set it up. Okay, so please give me a few hours to do that. But that's all. And then you get the lifetime membership, and you have, no strings. You have access, and you're in for life. Okay. So there we go. I hope you guys, take advantage of this. And I'm so thankful for you, and that you've been enjoying the lessons. And it's really cool now. I have second and third generation web piano teacher players, like some of the fathers and mothers that started way back have had kids, or already had kids, and those kids have kids. So they're just kind of passing it down, and it's really neat to hear their stories in the emails and stuff you guys send me. So I'm just having a blast, and I'm ready for you to join in that with me too for a lifetime, and talk to you guys later.